Hello, I'm Greg Sadler, and I would like to tell you about the online tutorial services that I offer and have been engaging in for over a decade. I've helped learners from the beginner level all the way up to fellow academics and professors learn about important thinkers and texts and ideas within a variety of disciplines, primarily philosophy, but I do some work in literary studies, political theory, religious studies, and some others as well. So if you want individualized engagement and attention, somebody to help guide you through something that you're finding difficult, well, then I might be the person for you. And if I'm not, I'll let you know right up front. So what do I offer? I meet with people from all over the world using video conferencing tools like Zoom or Google Meets, occasionally Skype. I don't do that quite so much anymore. And we arrange a good time and day to get together. We can meet for one session, we can meet for multiple sessions, whatever it's going to take to get you to a point where you're happy with the intellectual progress that you're making. So I've got a link below that you can go to with a page about my tutorial services, and it tells you my rates, how I work, all of that sort of stuff. I'll let you look at that on your own, but what I will tell you about is that I have a passion for teaching, for helping people understand difficult philosophical and other matters, and also to help them apply it to their own life. One of the other services that I offer as well is helping learners develop individual learning plans to go through whatever curriculum that they want and to make progress. So I've worked with a really wide variety of clients ranging from college students all the way up to CEOs of major companies with all sorts of other people in between. And so I would be very happy to help you with whatever it is that you are currently encountering some challenges or difficulties understanding. So again, the links are below. You can easily find out how I work, what my rates are, and whether this is something that you would want to pursue or perhaps recommend to somebody else. So I hope that you'll consider booking me for tutorial services. You won't be disappointed if we do, in fact, get together.